Please excuse my acne patch. Okay. I'm gonna make this okonomiyaki. Comes with a lot of packets. What's this? This looks like I think these are the bonita flakes. And then this looks like seaweed. I can't really tell. Like that. Like that. I'll just wash it because I don't want it to break. Whoa. Yeah, I'll show you close up. I think I should put the sauce first. I don't know what I'm doing. Looks like a huge hamburger. Mmm.
It's like the boy bands. Boy band haircut before boy bands became popular.
No, it's like it's turning so. How about you like?
No.
Like I ran through the door and I feel like it's like
okay.
The orange filter. I found it in your pencil. Like right here. Oh.
Dang.
Setting up the mirror because it's always been like leaning against the wall. Ta-da! It's finished. Hey. But it's kind of like at an awkward angle because I had to put it above the power outlet. Oh, hi. And I don't know, but it's fine. I like it. Yeah. Oh, I can see my mess. Pretend I don't have a mess. Remember we have this.
Military. Are you afraid?
What, are you done though?
It's like
No, I'm using it in my shirt.
it's like
My skin looks so clean. Here's my outfit of the day. Pretty simple. Okay, we're gonna go pick up the food. And I also need to get some ingredients for the cake because apparently we don't have some. So we're gonna go get that.
Don't you? And this one's backwards.
Bye. Where?
Right.
Wrong way.
I think my hair looks nice.
It does. We need to get 3 things. Oh, someone's calling me. Wait, hold up. Coke. 0. Cherry. Oh, right here. I need to get. Okay, I got it. Oh no, it's stuck. Thanks. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Is this the earth pointing on your camera?
Because you drove it a lot when you were picking up Alex.
Hello. It's starting to get late, but this is already fast. A quick recipe, I mean. And I also already grated the carrot because that takes her a long time. Hockey puck. I don't know what it's. Oh, I don't think this is enough. Oh my gosh. Is that all the cinnamon we have? Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, it's alright, we have more cinnamon. Oh my goodness, that scared me. My carrot. That. Usually I use pecans, but we actually had walnut. Oh. Oh my gosh, can you see the sky? It's so pretty. I will spray the pans with oil. I'm gonna do it over the sink so it doesn't make a mess. Pour it like that. Oh no! Oh my! I love carrot cake. I think I might like it better than chocolate cake. I don't know. I still really like chocolate, but I love carrot cake. It's so good. I have like this much batter left. I don't want to waste it. And then maybe 20 minutes. I overfilled them just so I can eat the scraps because I don't want to waste the rest. Oh, it's done. It's definitely not ready, so I'll just keep on mixing this. I have to wait for the cakes to cool. I'm ready.
Make a wish, ate.
Go.
Still?
Ice cream.
I have ice cream. How much do you want?
What type of cake is this?
It's carrot cake.
Veggie.
No, I'll have a little bit.
I remember you liked this, but is this ever?
We don't have ice cream.
I'll give this to Buddy Boy.
Oh, I'm alright. What's this ultimate?
It's Napoleon.
Can you read?
Thank you.
You want? There you go.
Thanks.
Ta-da.
Are you done with this?
Nissan, Atlanta's premier Nissan dealership.
Wala kasama yung maya na burining masan. Nay, aaping imauming nga.
I hope you liked that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I've been reading through your birthday wishes, and I'd like to say thank you. Thank you for your wishes. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye!